Hey, happy Cinco de Mayo on Friday here today. The birds have been busy at the feeder. It's been raining all day. And it looks like we have a whole school of goldfinches. Yeah, those are not flowers. Those are birds. Let me give you a close-up of some of them right here. Yeah. Birds make you relax, bring you a little closer to nature. One of the things I love about living here in the Sullivan County Catskill Mountains. Hey, everybody, have a great night tonight when you're going out for Cinco de Mayo. Have a couple of tacos, maybe a margarita. And be careful with the drinking and driving. Have a designated driver if you can. Have a great Friday and a great weekend. Bye-bye.